Hi equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. In my last video I talked to you guys about the hay bags that I had bought for my horses because I've started feeding them with hay bags. So these are the hay bags that I bought at Dover Saddlery. These hay bags are made by Shires and they have 2-inch openings, so it's a slow feed type hay net, which works really well for my horses to keep them eating longer. So using a hay bag for your horse will increase the amount of time that he's eating his breakfast, lunch, or dinner. That's why I decided to do this. Like in my last video, I showed you these hay nets that I got from Riding Warehouse, and these will hold 4 flakes of hay. They're a little bit different and a little bit smaller than these hay bags from Shires, but these were $15.99. These were $7.95 when you bought 2 or more. And when you're using a hay bag, it can be really challenging to get the flakes of hay in the bag. So today I wanted to show you a super easy way of how you can fill hay bags, and then maybe it'll be a viable option for you to feed your horse using hay bags. And I guess they're not hay bags, they're hay nets. I always call them bags, but these are hay nets. So let me show you how to fill hay nets. Alright, before I get started, when I am filling up the hay bags, I usually wear gloves because it makes it a little bit easier and you don't get poked with all of the hay. I took my work gloves inside, but my riding gloves will serve the purpose just fine. So in order to fill your hay nets easily, the first thing you're going to need is a trash can. And this is just a regular trash can. I think we got it at Walmart for like $10 a long time ago. And we never use it, so it has become my hay filler upper. Then I take the hay net. And this one, the ends are separate. So I just make a little, I think that's a square knot. I don't know what that's called. Because I don't want the bag to completely come apart while I'm opening it up and putting it over the trash can. So then I just open up the hay net, maybe. Just like that. I put it into the trash can and fold the top down over like that. And then I literally have a net that I can catch the flakes of hay in. So then once I start filling up the hay net with the hay, I just kind of shake it into the net. To separate out the hay. And I find it easiest just to do it 1 flake at a time. And if it starts coming up on the edges, I just push it back down. And keep going on. And then if I get close to the top, I just shake the hay. Put it over the edge just so I can get 1 more flake of hay in here. And then I untie this little knot that I made. And I'm going to tie one down at the bottom on this type of hay net. And then I have a bag of hay all ready to go get hung up and feed my hungry horses. So now that we did that with the hay net I've been used to using, let's see how it works with these new, less expensive hay nets. This could be challenging. All right, again, this is a smaller hay net. It only holds 4 flakes of hay. And these are brand new, so I've never used them. So let's see if we can kind of stretch it out. And again, this top piece is solid, so I don't have to worry that it's gonna come out. This one's a little more challenging to work with. All right, let's see if this will hold 4 flakes of hay. So that is about 3 flakes of hay and a lot of the little extra stuff that the horses really like. So then what I'm going to do is just kind of fold this end under in through the net. And just kind of weave it through because I want to make sure it's going to stay shut. Pull that through. And then my hay bag is all cinched up and ready to be hung, so my horses will be able to eat. That's pretty nice. And now I have 4 hay bags all ready for me to feed. So these bags will be for their dinner tonight, and then these bags will be for their breakfast tomorrow morning. And it just is easier if you have multiples of the hay bags, because then you have it full and you have the hay ready to go, so that you don't have to spend as much time packing up the hay bags when you're getting ready to feed your horses. And then all I do is move my trash can back out of the way. I have my hay bags ready for future meals, and one less thing to do at feeding time. This is especially helpful for me because I work Monday through Friday and I have like an hour commute time. So this makes it easier, so I can do their meals the night before, put them out in the morning, and then they get to eat and they're super happy. I hope you found this video useful, especially if you've been considering using hay nets for your horses for feeding. I've been really happy with how easy it was for my horses to get used to eating out of the hay nets. Their mealtime has gone from like an hour to 3 hours for the same amount of hay. So I'm really impressed with these hay nets and how fast my horses took to it. So give it a try, see what you think, because just like I just showed you, you can fill the hay nets up really easy just using a trash can. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture over on the side. You can subscribe to my channel and watch all my other videos. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.